Clean the phone screen. Fold the sheet sideways and remove the cut from the sheet. Make sure all 3 layers are removed from the sheet. Place the cut over the phone. Check if the alignment is correct. If the alignment is incorrect, lift all 3 layers and adjust the alignment. If the alignment is correct, holding on to the marked sticker. Lift the hydrogel from the vertical side to the midpoint and gently push the bottom layer outward using the squeegee. Follow the same procedure on the opposing side. Remove the top layer, leaving the hydrogel on the phone. Using the squeegee, push out the bubbles in the corners. The bubbles, lines, and shades will disappear automatically within 24 hours.